Guns up!
That's a good start, great start. Let's go, you got the, no, now you're in the shallow stuff. Make sure you bite in the water and hold on. Bite and hold on. You got a bit of water now. Now you got a bit of water. Do your best.
To the back here, to the back, to the back.
That's really good. In front, Has. Good. Go again. In front again, Has. Well done. Forward. Hit. Do your best. Go hard, 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 hard. Watch out, stroke side. Keep going. Really tricky. Forward. Hit. Forward. Hit. Well done. We're out to the only ones. Tricky, but we did well. Now we've got to head back up the coast. Righto, let's power it up now. Over 3. Over 2. Over 1. And let's go. Click and away. Click and away. Come on, boys. It's really doughy. Let's get some bright. Let's get some zip and hit. There's a buoy coming up on stroke side. There it is. Bow side now. Working up the... Go. Bang it away. Click and away. Click and away. And away. Really tough bump, Harry. Righto, let's work now. Not far, couple of strokes. Tight turn. We're approaching. Get ready. Fire. Away you go. Great turn. Great turn. Here, this one, Zach, go. Go you go. That's it, always get that first one. Here we go again. This one's a beauty. Go, go, go. Go, 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 Harry. Go on, Harry. Go on, Harry, you'll get it. There you go. Go. Go, dogs. Keep working. Get this one now.
Now, boys, to the back here.
This one will go. Let's go. Let's go. Now, Harry. Fucking hell. Easy, easy. Ready. Right. Here we go. Over you go. Over you go. Over you go. Come back. Well done, dogs. Sloppy rotor or slow rotor, see. That's a really good start. That's a really good start. You got a bit of backwash. Everyone's on it. And it's the shallow shit here. This is tough. Work through it. Still got that same backing. Really good. Keep going. Tricky one here. There you go. Off the back. Yeah. Forward. Heck. Real tricky one. Another one after it. Forward. Heck. And let's go. Power it up now. Let's go. We're going to whack one. We're going to whack one. There we go. Up you go. Go again. Go again. Another one, Harry. Here we go. And away we go now. Alright, let's get to the back. And let's power it up over 3, over 2, over 1. Wow. That was a trick. Good rowing, dogs. To the back. That's good, Taz. That's really nice back end, boys, for this ship. It's the best row of the day for me. got knocked around in there. Watch out, straight side. Apologies. Well done. You're still catching up to North Cronulla. They've had a shocker. Let's go. Let's get that 3-1s, eh? In the tricky bit. It's a nasty old ocean, that's for sure. Really catching them. Like they're standing fucking still, boys. Let's go. You'll be on them at the Tim. Well done, boys. Really good way to see. Really good way to see. How'd you go now? We're approaching. Get ready. Boyo. I fucked that up. Take one more. Off you go now. Let's go. Here we go. Get that one, Taz. Get that one. Just get something out of it. Good boy. Another one behind. Some big shit out there. This one now. Away we go. There's a huge one out there. Away we go. And again now, this one. Oh, the girl sweep's in trouble. She's in my way. Fuck, we're gonna get out of my way. Oh no, sorry, that's her. Here we go now. Look at her, she's gonna ride here. Here, now. Use it, go, Haz. Over you go. Over you go. Come back. Well done, dogs. That chick was all over the show. Still tricky here, still tricky. Here it goes, going to drop over, hopefully. Really hard to steer this. Oh, that's where the Australian sweep cuts his check. I got it, sort of. What a nightmare. Oh yeah. Paws and legs, or whatever. Out you get. Great road, dogs. That's how you do it, Wampa.